A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will discuss chapter 11 conic section questions. So class, in previous lecture I have discussed chapter 11 conic sections, some standard questions related to parabola, ellipse, hyperbola and circles. So now in today lecture I will discuss some miscellaneous questions related to NCERT. So see the question. Now question is, an arcs or the cable of a uniform loaded suspension bridge, the cable of a uniform loaded suspension bridge suspension bridge hang in the form of a parabola. Hang in the form of parabola. The roadway which is horizontal, the roadway which is horizontal and 100-meter long, 100-meter long, is supported by a vertical wire. Supported by a vertical wire attached to the cable. Attached to the cable. The longest wire being 30 meter. Being 30 meter. And the shortest being is 6 meter. Find the length of a supporting wire length of supporting wire attached to the roadway attached to the roadway 18 meter from the middle. 18 meter from the middle. Now this is our question. Again I am reading the question. The cable of a uniform loaded suspension bridge hang in the form of parabola. The roadway which is horizontal and 100 meter long, supported by a vertical wires attached to the cables. Suppose this is the shape of a parabolic shape, and now suppose this is the hanging bridge. This type of bridge you have seen. and this is the roadway. This is a vertical wire or a cable in the form of suspension bridge hanging in the form of parabola. Now you can see this is the cable and this is the string. Now in 2D shape you can see it's 2D figure. This is parabolic curve and this is hanging bridge. You can see, suppose this is axis, x-axis, this is y-axis, this is vertex, this is cable, and now this is the string. This is the 2D figure, and in this figure you can see this whole length is 100 meter. Now what we can say about this point capital A and suppose capital B. This is 100 meter and according to question the longest wire is being 30 meter length. This length is 30 meter and shortest wire length is 6 meter. Now what will be its coordinate? So this is 30, this is 6. So with respect to origin O, if we will measure these coordinates, then coordinates will be 50, 24. This coordinate is 50, 24. See, now this is the longest length. Now you will see this is the equation of upward parabola. You will use the formula of upward parabola. The given figure, since see the solution, the given figure is in the shape of upward parabola. Is in the shape of upward parabola. Upward parabola. Now you know the equation of upward parabola. What is the equation of upward parabola? That is x square is equal to 4ay. Consider equation 1. And now you know on the upward parabola the point A lies and A coordinate is 50, 24 from the figure. and the point A lies on curve of parabola. Therefore, this point will satisfy the equation such that A coordinate is 50, 24. This point will satisfy the equation, so 50 whole square will be equal to 4 times A into Y, result is 24. Now we have to calculate A coordinates. We have to calculate A coordinates. Now this calculation is 96, A is equal to 2500. This implies A is equal to 2500 whole upon 96. This is our calculation and values of A. And you can reduce from the table of 4. So from table of 4, this will cancel out and result will be 625 whole upon 24. This is the values of A. This is the values of A. Now, see, question is asking about the roadway which is 100 meter long is supported by a vertical wire attached to the cable, and the longest wire is being 30 meter and the shortest wire is 6 meter. Find the length of supporting wire attached to the roadway 18 meter from the middle. 18 meter from the middle means 18 meter from the, this is midpoint, and 18 meter from the middle means suppose this is 18, 0 from the middle, and this point is suppose 18, y. You can consider this is 18, y or 18, k you can consider. We have to find out length of supporting wire 18 meter from the middle, means we have to calculate K. Now we have already calculated values of A. Now you know, again I will use the formula. Since x square is equal to 4ay, this implies x value is 18. 18 whole square is equal to 4 times A, result is 625 by 24 into Y, result is K. Now you can calculate 4 6 are 24, 18 into 18 is 324, and 324 into 6 whole upon 625. Now K result, we can write 18 into 6 whole upon 625. This is the values of K. And after calculation, you can find out its value. So 324 multiplied by 6. 324 multiplied by 6 whole upon 625. Now after calculation, what will be the result? Result will be approx 3 point, or K value is 3.11 approx. Approx value. So this is the answer. Now you can see. This is the answer. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 2. Question number 2 is Find the area of triangle. We have to draw on the figure, so I will save the space. I'm writing question here. Question. Find the area of triangle formed by the lines joining the vertex of the parabola. Joining the vertex of parabola x square is equal to 12y to the end of its latus rectum. To the ends of its latus rectum. This is our question. Now you can see. Find the area of triangle formed by the line joining the vertex of parabola x square is equal to 12y to the ends of the latus rectum. So see the solution. Since given equation of parabola x square is equal to 12y is the equation of upward parabola open in positive direction of y-axis passing through origin and symmetric about y-axis, positive y-axis. See, this is the given equation of upward parabola open in the positive direction of y-axis. This is x-axis. This is 0, 0. This is y-axis. And passing through origin having focus coordinate when you will equate to x square is equal to 12y. This implies 4a is equal to 12 and a is equal to 3. This implies foci coordinates. We can write focus that is 0, a for this parabola. So 0, 3 is the foci coordinates, and you know this is the focus point 0, 3, and you know latus rectum is the line that passing through focus and perpendicular to the y-axis. And the area of the triangle formed by the line joining the vertex of parabola, this is the vertex, this is the focus, and this is the latus rectum. latus rectum, area of triangle formed by joining this latus rectum and vertex. We have to calculate its area. So how we can calculate its area? You know, from figure, we can calculate the length of latus rectum from this figure. Now see, from this figure or from figure, length of latus rectum, that is 4a, this implies 4a means result is 12, that is 12, you know, its length is 12. And this axis is perpendicular to the length of latus rectum and its height is 3. So suppose this is the point A and this is point B. This implies AB we can write 12 and OS, this is the foci or focus S coordinates, OS length is equal to 3. Means AB is the base of triangle. AB is the base of triangle and OS is the height of triangle. Now we can say area of triangle AOB is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height, and now base is 12 into height is 3. Now what will be the result? After calculation, its result will be 18 square unit. Now this is the area. We have to calculate its area, then area measurement is 18 square units. Now see, again I am repeating this question. Find the area of triangle formed by the line joining the vertex of parabola x square is equal to 12y to the ends of its latus rectum. What is latus rectum? You know, the line perpendicular to the axis of parabola and passing through focus, that is known as latus rectum. So, you know, by using formula and length of latus rectum for this formula format x square is equal to 4ay, the length is always 4a. So, at the place of 4a, result is 12. So, length of latus rectum will be equal to 12. And length of latus rectum is always equal to or is equal to the base of triangle, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, not triangle, AB, AOB. And OS is the perpendicular height. You know, latus rectum is always perpendicular to the axis of parabola. So this is height. And height measurement is OS, that is 3. So area of triangle AOB is equal to half base into height. So half 12 into 3, that is 18 square units. Now this is completed. Question is completed.